Hello beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be preparing a white okra soup, which is very good for the health. These are food for diabetic people, and also it's also good for normal people, those that are not sick. Also, it's good for everyone, but most times, diabetic people don't eat anyhow food, so there are some things you give them and some you don't give them. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to prepare a special meal. This is the okra, the fresh okra, and here I've cut it, and here is my cabbage that I'm going to be using. I am going to be slicing this cabbage and put in my soup. I have here also, this is catfish, which I'll be preparing. I have here fresh pepper. Also, I have here onions. So here is my chopped onions also. First thing for me to do now is for me to put the catfish into the pot. This catfish has just been washed with hot water, so now I am going to be steaming it first. So I'll have to pour in the catfish inside the pots. Then I'll add onions and also the fresh pepper inside the pots. So also the fresh pepper inside the pots. I'll add salt to taste. Quantity of salt to taste. And also I'll also add curry inside this. So this is curry powder. I'm going to be adding this. This naturally gives the food a nice flavor. So you can see how it looks. So now I'll mix them together and cover the pots and allow this steam very well. Here you just add just very little quantity of water just to steam the fish very well for you first. So guys, enjoy watching today's recipe. This is just so that all the ingredients will season the fish very well, and this little water inside will allow it steam very well before you can now put the quantity of water you want and you start preparing your soup. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, don't fail to thumbs up, subscribe my channel, like my videos, and also while you're watching, learn how to prepare nice recipes at home. So today I told you I am going to be preparing a special white okra soup. So I have here Knorr cube. This is Knorr Maggi. I'll be adding this. I'll now cover the pots and allow this to steam very well. Now you can see that the meat is steamed very well. So now I'll be adding water, the quantity I need. One cup of water. I'll allow this to boil very well. Then I'll add the vegetable, that is the okra. So let's see what's happening here. Now that the pot is boiling, I'll be adding now my okra inside the pot. So if this is your first time of watching my TV, this is Ukeme TV. Don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This is a channel that teaches you how to prepare wonderful and nice recipe. Now that I've added my okra, I'll allow it to heat very well, steam, and this is in little time I'll be dropping down the pot because I want this okra to still be half done, which is fresh. Now that I've put the okra, I am not going to be covering the pot anymore. I'll just allow it to boil out by itself, and after this I'll be adding my cabbage into the pot. See the white okra, it's almost ready. I'll be adding my cabbage now and curry leaf. This is a wonderful meal, a very rich meal. So I'll have to slice this to my size. Now put it in there. So you know, cabbage is another rich food, very rich in the body. This is a very rich food. Cabbage gives lots of nutrients in the body, and also you can even chew it raw. You can chew it with your salad. So I'll be putting this inside my pot now. Also curry leaf, which I'll be also putting in the white okra soup. This is another very rich vegetable leaf also. So I'm adding it inside the pot. And now I'll allow this to just heat for about 2 minutes and I'll drop down the pots. So guys, this is how to prepare your white okra soup. This is a very good soup. Even sick people eat this, healthy people eat it also. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe. This is Ukeme TV, a TV that teaches you how to prepare wonderful recipes, nice recipes. And also you can see that even the fishes are not broken the way they are. You can see the cabbage here, you can see the curry leaf. Enjoy watching this, and don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos. So guys, this is it. You can see how nourishable and rich the soup is. This is how to prepare your white okra soup. You can see that in this soup I did not put palm oil inside. So here, this is the catfish white okra soup. This is a wonderful meal. You don't need to miss this. So guys, it's Ukeme TV. If this is your first time, please don't fail to subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell for notification of new videos. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe. This is a food you don't have to miss. This is white okra soup, virgin okra soup with cabbage. And this is so wonderful. This is so lovely. I hope you're enjoying this. And you that is there, I hope you're perceiving the aroma already. See you guys in my next video. Bye.